ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ನೀವು ಅವರೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಾಕಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ, ಬೈಕ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಬೈಕ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ, ಓದಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಓವರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ who lay down conditions are parents. Next will be teachers. And ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಟೀನೇಜರ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ಸ್, then your boss, then your institution, then society, then system. This starts with parents and ends with society. So rebellious attitude can be any level. It can be to any level. Okay? It can be personal, it can be family, it can be with the friendship circle, it can be in a profession, it can be against the system, politics, like how Modi raised. Talking of development, everybody thought that he is drama, he is doing drama, he is doing drama. He is going to kill all minorities. That is all wrong. But he knew where he was going. To ಬೈದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ I don't think in last 30 years history politics even ಬೈದಷ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಬೈಲಿ. Last 10 years. The kind of ridicule Modi has got, and none of the politicians has got. What did Manmohan Singh did? Did nothing. The people did criticize him also. He did everything, but still he got the criticism. Ultimately what happens? So the Lord waits. Okay, you have taken the maximum ridicule, take it. He will rule for a long time. Watch it. In the Indian history, after the freedom struggle, before Modi and after Modi, history will come. Let's see. People is a reference point. This is the future. I'm just predicting it. Okay? Because I am very much a part of the system. I am very much a part of this politics. I am very much a part of society. So history will tell before Modi, after. Before Modi, this was the definitions of development. After Modi, this is the okay. Compromise, cheating, corruption, hiding, backbiting, religion, caste, discrimination, suppression, only just problem. Gauda, Lingayaka, Muslim, Christian, literally, the poor, illiterate, anaksharaste, aksharaste. So the discriminatory politics, ವಿಭಜಿಸಿ ಆಳುವ ಈ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, it has come, it is going to end. It is going to be a more of inclusive politics. ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Let us give a, I think let us congratulate, give a big hand to Modi. Okay? Because as the president of Pyramid Party of India, Karnataka, people all over the world wants to know what I say. That's why it is getting recorded. I'm talking to everybody who all over the world, masters, want to know what is my views on Modi. Okay? That's why I thought that morning, he is a rebel. He is not ordinary person. He rebelled not only in his own life, personal life. He sacrificed his personal life. He sacrificed his lot of things. Okay? And he was picked up by a person. Then they molded him. And something happened in his first few months. That devastating earthquake happened in Okay, in Gujarat. Okay, in Gujarat. The second thing is Godhra. Whoever is the reason, I am not going deep into it. But one thing, in order to bring order, sometimes disorder works. Okay, I am not telling you bring disorder, anarchy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅರಾಜಕತೆ ರಾಜಕತೆ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅರಾಜಕತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ at the higher interest of the group, at the greater interest of nation. ಯಾವನೊಬ್ಬ ತುಂಬ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವನಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿ. Just see, this is what I have learned even in, because I am a builder, if somebody is shouting, I have to take one level higher than him to keep him quiet. If I attack lower than him, he will shout more. So maybe a lot of privileges were given to certain kind of section of society for whatever either foolishness, okay? And the things were all suppressed just for vote bank politics. Okay? And Pyramid Party of India, we take a stand that we want to bring transparency, accountability and responsibility. Fine. But the kind of politics we are playing, even Patriji knows it is not going to, it's going to take a long time. Even we have taken a shift in our position of Modi, that Modi's definition of politics in long run is acceptable to us. Okay? Whatever reason is. Okay? And as per se, we are with him. We are not behind, but we will support his activities in future. Having said that, whatever people thought, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ sideline ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ suppress ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, that all has to be seen in future. I think why to project unnecessary. Okay? Until now, the kind of politics, great, fine. Okay? And the kind of transparency at least he has shown, and maturity and the leadership. Okay? See, there is verbal and non-verbal communication. Even you can see his body language, you can see his communication, you can see his deeds for 13 years. So whatever people may call it as media has projected him and made it a wave, all that is okay, fine. But now onwards what? Okay, he has to perform. Okay, so we will see that, and we have to wish as masters that India needed a change. India needed very badly a change. And 10 years of non-performance, policy paralysis, we have seen nothing was happening. And I am shocked to see this kind of state. Good, it has happened. Okay, and let us give a big hand and congratulate him. Okay, and so that let something good happen. It is good for India. It is good for India, not for anybody. It is good for India that something like this happens. And
it's good for the whole world.
US is calling him over phone. They didn't give the visa, and so US is the big daddy. Okay, they call themselves as the big daddy, and he didn't even speak a word against them.
Uncle Sam.
Okay, and so the future will say what sort of politics he is going to play, and see. Like that, everybody will have a transformation connected to rebellism. Okay. Anybody who rebelled against, differently will bring transformation. But if he stick to that point, he will realize. Otherwise, if he changes every day, today I am a rebel, tomorrow okay, you are okay. You have to take a stand. I have taken a stand. I am here. Don't change the stand. Okay. Most of the leaders, you see, they keep changing their stand. In my life, I have seen last 25 years of struggle. Okay? And I have not mentioned anybody's name in this. People who are going maximum trouble to me. Okay? I have not mentioned anybody's name. If I mention, then another controversy will start. Thanks to all the guys who are in the personal life, social life. I said worked with organizations, 7 organizations, 7 masters. Of course, not Mahesh, it was 6 organizations I was close to. And you see in and out of it.
You must thank those who gave you trouble because they made you stronger.
Okay. And people call me, I'm copying, recording, duplicating, and taking away people from the organization. I'm talking about 1998. Nothing like that I did it. Okay? I just want to be on my own. And I don't want to be a chamcha, somebody. I don't want to be a parasite. And that was my mistake. Okay? 98. And they said, this person is taking away people from me to his own. And I knew very well 15 years back what I was going to do. Okay? I registered a trust called Navabharata Trust. See, I taken a stand. Okay? I'm telling you 15 years of challenge I have put to a few people. And they laughed. They laughed at me. And they thought that I'm making a mockery of myself. And see, you don't have anything in your pocket. What do you do? You talk too much. What do you have? Then I took that also into my account. I said, unless I am professionally successful, I'm not going to. Even that also I took it. People, ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ನೀನು ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀನು ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ, ಯು ಟಾಕ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. Then I took a stand. I am going to concentrate on my profession first. That was the top priority. I am giving a message to youngsters that don't go after passion just because it gives you kick. Okay? It may give you kick, but what people want is also success. Okay? You can go by bicycle, go by BTS, and this is all underestimate. You can do it. Right? Have simple living. But when your potential is to, you can make a great thing. But why you want to underestimate your own self? Okay. Everybody is sent with the same energy. Everybody is sent. God gives you, given everybody the same intelligence, same fire in the belly, same dreams in the eyes. But why some people need it? Most of the people don't need it. Because they don't hold on to the dream. They don't believe the dream will be realized. In strange circumstances. I never knew that Patriji will come in my life. I never knew. I used to tell Ravi Purani, last week he came and gave a speech on New Age spirituality. Pyramid. He was telling, Prem used to tell, from all over the world, people, masters will come and we are going to bring them and make them in my place and take care of them, and we are all doing a great transformational activities. What I am doing now? What else I am doing? Okay. The problem is you want to own a dream. That's the problem. Patriji also says, I am only a catalyst. He is only single hand. A lot of people around me. Okay. Musicians come and do their work. Masters come. Somebody takes care of the valley. Somebody gets money. The system works around one person. He says, I'm just the catalyst. Okay? So like that, I am one link in the chain. Okay? But I am a part of that movement. Okay? You don't have to own. If you say that I should have owned a pyramid, I'm sorry. You cannot own it. The problem is we are obsessed with owning dreams. Okay? You don't have to own a dream, but if you realize a dream, that's enough. Okay? You want to be a good actor, want to be rich, fine. But the problem is, you want to be rich only by acting? No, need not. Okay. My dream may not be my profession. You got it? If we do a mistake of going after in the hustle and the force to realize our dreams, your dream need not give you money. Okay. Most of the bigger dreams don't really earn money. You don't earn money. My one dream is to write the book. I have not earned any money in this. Okay. I'm sorry. If you say someday I have made crores in this, but this is going to remain forever even if I am not there. Okay. But 150 or 200 houses I built, they'll demolish after 30 years. But building houses I made. One thing is, realize your dream and still successful, very few people can do it. Okay? But for example, we contested election, we did the Janma Chitra. Did we made any money on it? I think we have invested money, we have given time. If I think that I want to make money, is the moment each and every individual who is sitting will look like one lakh. They will not look like Karthik, will not look like you. 1 lakh. I will tell you, I will brainwash you. I see that you will have some mistake, you need counseling, you need that therapy, this therapy, but I used to course attend that. Okay? And people have changed and people are making money. Okay? They are making money. But I say, by building houses I have made money. By being in these activities I am realizing money. Okay? Not by building houses I have realized. Maybe I wanted to buy a car, XPV, fine. But can I, by teaching meditation, can I make money? Okay? I think it's very tough. Teaching meditation is not. Maximum, I can make it simple meaning. Teaching meditation. You see the people, the Art of Living, the Isha Foundation, they are still they are giving the meditation free. But where they get success is different. Okay? It is closely observed. Okay? So, in order to, when you become successful, that profession may give success, the dream may give, but if you want to make money, it may not be possible sometimes, all the time. Okay? So for that, I told youngsters, you take up a job. Take up a job. Don't come to Dhyana Prachara. Don't come to Dhyana Prachara. Don't do Dhyana Prachara. Take up a job. Come on Saturdays. Sit here. Teach meditation. Go to nearby neighborhoods. Teach meditation. Okay? And so many people have misunderstood that I want to become Swamiji. I want to become. And you see how they get caught. They are getting caught nowadays. You see. So, and thanks to those people, 15 years back, they said that I am taking away people. I don't think none of you are from that movement. Okay? And people who are Sutta Mutta Idralla, Patori, are still there. They are still there, even in 2000. They still talk of small things. They are still attached to food. Okay? And they still remain mediocres. I didn't challenge them. I challenged in my mind that I am going to show who I am. And after 15 years, the same people come and meet me. The same attitude as faith. Yen sar you know you tumba busy with I'm not telling you. ಸಾರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್. ಇವನ ರಮೇಶ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಹಂಕಾರ. You have to have the spiritual energy. Rebellism is very spiritual. If you don't have a rebellism, you will go with the flow. You will become identified with the mediocres. It's called non-doers club. Non-doers club. 90% of society is non-doers. They talk, they commentators, they fence-sitters. Maximum. Nobody want to be a player. ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈದಾನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆಟನೇ ಆಡೋದು. ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಮೈದಾನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಓನ್ ಎ ಮೈದಾನ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಿ. ಅವರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನಿಂಗ್ ಮೈದಾನ. ವಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಓನ್ ಎ ಮೈದಾನ. ಸಾರಿ, ದಟ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ KSCA ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Them is a business. Your dream is to play or your dream is to own something so that other come and play. You have to define. You want to have a space like this, you want to own a space like this, or you want to come and do your work here. There are two things. Okay? And if you don't analyze this, am I a player, am I a fence sitter, am I in the audience, am I a commentator? There are 4 roles. Just see, where are you? Are you commentating and complaining, criticizing people? Are you just watching like thousands of people? You are sitting on the fence, whether sometimes the situation is not favorable, you jump to the audience. Sometimes the situation is favorable, you jump to the player. So you are not deciding. But there are very few guys who wants to be a player, they play. They will remain a player, whether they lose, win. One day they will become superstars. And one day they will take over that ground whoever has built it. Okay? See, the same rebellious attitude, same, if you are so strongly believe that you will do it, most of the problem is we don't believe. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಿರೋ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಂಬ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. You compromise. I have in one case, but 10 years I fought. Purely dharma. ನಾನು ಧರ್ಮವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಬಂದವು. ಓಕೆ, 2000 I started telling this is the solution. See, look, it's a win-win solution. I'm winning. I don't want to go into names. But 10 years, every year there is a discussion takes place. This is no, we'll do Anmana. And after 10 years, they come, you are right. And now, after Adella Admele, this is my gut feeling said you are right, but I didn't believe it. I went and did a cheating. Cheating at the Devar Munde, India's Bank. They have to give a ruling. Nina, who is that? The person says, your name came, but I still didn't believe the law. And ನಮ್ದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 10 years ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಷ ಕಾರ್ಬೋದು. No, I am not doing that. I am doing the reverse. I am giving more love to them. Because every year they are making me more and more stronger. Okay? Every year. ಇಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಡ. Not that right. I ended up buying other things. DJ, XY. After 10 years I found out good that they refused. Good happened. ಅವರು ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಬಲಿಸಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮರ ಇವು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು. ನೋಡಿ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್. ಸಂಡೇ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ. But Sunday some people work more. Okay? I'm not telling you have to work for 24 hours. You have a family, means you have to give time to your family. But somewhere Modi sacrifices family. That's why he is becoming Prime Minister. Okay? He is becoming a Prime Minister. None of us are not sacrifice that. Okay? but still in the very, very, very. You want to make a good living, may become a superstar, maybe become a.
He was in the Himalayas for 3 years actually. But that story he has not disclosed what he did.
Like that. You have to understand that at the end of the day, rebellism leads to lot of change in that person. But having said that, rebel aad takshana successful agalla. In my case, it has taken 15 long years. The same people I meet have changed. It has changed dramatically. It has changed. The way they look at me, the way the people used to look at me, so cheap. It hurt. It used to hurt me at that time. Why they are telling me that? But I took it as a challenge. You can underestimate me. Don't tell me I should underestimate myself. Difficulty baratte. You may have to go for loans. You have to take lot of risk. You have to do all sort of things. But ultimately, if your dream is, if you are hanging on to your dream, you will get it. ಅವತ್ತು ಏನಂತಾರೆ ನೀನೊಂದು ಎಡವಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಉಚ್ಚ ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಉಚ್ಚ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಹೌ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಉಚ್ಚತನ ಈ ನೌ ಸೀಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸತ್ಯ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸತ್ಯ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು when you throw down a challenge at somebody, you have to work very hard. Gandhiji worked very hard. For 40 years, you see anybody who has rebelled against the system, they have taken a lot. It takes a lot of time. Modi has taken 30 years. Maybe you would have dreamt of this. Hello? Maybe. We don't know. He dreamt that shit. I would have gone with it. He has worked hard. He's 63, maybe at the age of 30, he dreamt that I will not achieve what I want. Rebellism, convert that into a spiritual energy. Don't in the lower, don't keep it in the lower. Okay? So I have money. I made a lot of relationship, friendship. I became famous. Okay. That doesn't mean that you have to crush those people who are not. Thank them. Thank them because they have made you a gem. Thank all the people who have challenged you. Thank. Send love. Send love towards them. Okay. Thank them. Because of them you are shining today. If they are not challenged, if you have not challenged them, you would have been like cinema party. When you take a strong position, then all energies you have need it. Okay? Then you will make it work. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ just sit silently for 6 months. Go sometime. Sit. All activities, stop it. Stop your talk first. First this stop. Go, get clarification, value clarification. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ತಗಲಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆದರ್ಶವಾದ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಆದರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆನೇ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸುಳ್ಳನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಡೀತೀನಿ ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಓಕೆ these are the clashes people have it okay it is a context ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನಾಳೆ ಅಮೃತ ಆಗೋದು ಅಮೃತ ಆಗಿರೋದು ವಿಷ ಆಗೋದು ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ಅಮೃತನೇ ನಾಳೆನೂ ಅಮೃತ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಸಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ್ವೀಪಗಳಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ they are not part of the system. They go against the system so much, they have their own identity and our identity only. If you want to be in the system, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದಮ್, ಸಂಘರ್ಷ ಮಾಡು. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಎಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಔಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೆಬಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಔಟ್. ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. Buddha didn't go out. He went out in search of Jnanodaya. After he got Jnanodaya, he came back to the system. You have to come back to the system. You can't go in ಕಾಡಲ್ಲೋ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಇರೋಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀನು ಆ ಲೆವೆಲಿಂದ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ 10 ಜನನ ಆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗೋದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. Not living in Kadu or forest, become great sage. So you read Kavi, they all rebelled against. Even Baswanda, they rebelled against. Janwara ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕನಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ, 12ನೇ ಶತಮಾನ ಅವಳಿಗೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ಕಳಬೇಡ ಕಳಬೇಡ ಬಿಸಿಯಲು ನೀರು ಬೇಡ, ಇನ್ನೇರಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀರ ನೀರು ಇದೇ ಕೂಡಲ simple one vachana can change our life. He was the Prime Minister. He very much lived. But ultimately, ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ನಡೀತಾರೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ರೆಬಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ರೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಜಲಸಿ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ, ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. So they will use all the kutantra to make it. And most of the rebels who has taken it to them, ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಬಲ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಂದು ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮೇತ ದೇವರು ended up danger. Okay? So what happens is you have to be moderate. That is the reason. Don't suppress the people who have. Be in the society. Buddha, nobody killed Buddha. Okay? Nobody killed Buddha. But he was in the society, he was communicating to society. Okay? So, let us take message that all rebellious attitude may not be correct. Sometimes we may be wrong. Okay? Put some sense. But when people challenge your integrity, honesty, and your hard work, you need not challenge them. You can just walk out of the place. The first thing is to walk out. Just stay, go out. Go out of the group, work silently. Work silently, work alone. Do like a tapas. Okay? Whoever shares your dream, you start working with them. Got it? There are people who want to become actors. Them, ಯಾವೊಂದು ಒಬ್ಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಮಗ, you don't have to really work hard to become a star. But a person who has to come from bottom, he knows how difficult it is. Another person who has come from bottom knows better. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರೋ ತೂಕನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ, ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗದೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಡೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಮನೋಭಾವನೆಗಳೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಇವನು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಅಹಂಕಾರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ದಟ್ ಫೆಲೋ ಇಸ್